So what does Gen High Tech do? So we are very specialized in home cleaning devices. So like rechargeable vacuum is not something new. It probably like showed up a couple years ago, like with Technical, with Bissell as the bigger brands. But what's that special about this one? So first of all, we have the suction power is the strongest on the market. It's like 18,000 par. 18,000 par. So it's really, really strong. Second, we actually have a portable battery. I think there is another one or two like products having portable battery, but most of the products on the market, they're like kind of fixed. So for a lot of consumer electronic devices, it's actually, it's not, the product die eventually, not because of the product is broken, but because of the battery is running out of their time. You cannot use the battery anymore, right? So for consumers, this is really like kind of good for their money because they can only change their battery in the future. So this is like the product. So that's the base for you put it on and also do self-cleaning. And in terms of using, it's really simple. We just push it here. This is a power button. Okay, there are two sections, but I'm just going to demo one. Okay? And there is a little black button on the bottom, which is like still water. It spills water in it. Stop, and then you put it like that. So it's pretty clean. Like most of this stuff, like what do we put there? Like ketchup?
Yes, so we did put ketchup, Coke, sugar, and also breadcrumbs.
Yeah. So I don't have pasta, but we did test about like.
Yes, we can.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, sorry. Is there any others? No. Yeah. So we also did pasta with ketchup, like gross stuff, but like you just do one roll up, then it's all gone. Yeah. So like if you look at here, this is the like clean water tank, and this is the dirty water tank. And in the bottom, this is like the removable battery right here. Yeah. So if you click on it, it will be automatically charging. And then the self-cleaning feature is also pretty amazing. You just